Hi guys, welcome to Crochet Wonderland, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to crochet a heart. As I promised, for people who might have gotten interested for my crochet coin pouch. I'm using a 3mm hook because I have pretty thin yarn, but I'm going to be showing you two ways on how to crochet hearts. First up is a mini heart, and then I'm going to show you a normal heart. Pink is mini heart, so if you want to skip this, skip this. First, I'm going to yarn over around my finger because we're making a magic ring. Then wrap it around both of my fingers here and wrap it towards an X. Then on the top right loop, insert your hook, twist it clockwise, and then in the yarn around your pointer finger, yarn over and pull through. That's how you make a big magic ring, because we're going to need that. And now we're going to chain 2, which is yarn over, pull through, and make 1 double crochet. To make a double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. You just made 1, and now we're going to make 1 more. And now we're going to make 3 half double crochets. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and now you have 3 loops on your hook, but you're going to pull through all 3. And you're going to make 3 half double crochets. So 1 more, pull through 3 loops. When you yarn over, make sure to always turn your hook to the left and pull through. Now, in total we have 5 stitches. Now, we are going to make 1 double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now chain 1 and make 3 more half double crochets, pull through 3 loops, 2 more, and now I'm going to tie my circle a little bit. Now I'm going to make 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I'm going to make 1 more. And we're almost done. It's adorable. Now we're going to chain 2 and insert my hook in the middle, in the magic ring, and make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, you just yarn over, pull through. And that is how you make a mini heart. It's so adorable. Now we're going to chain 1 and fasten off. Okay, now I fastened off. We're going to be doing our normal heart. For that, I'm going to be using red yarn. And we're going to definitely have to make a big magic ring for this. So wrap around your finger and wrap it around 2 fingers towards the right side and down. So the top right hook, twist clockwise, and yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to chain 2 again, and then make 2 treble crochets. And to make a treble crochet, actually you have to chain 3 for this one. And you're going to wrap your yarn twice around your hook like that. Insert, yarn over, pull through, and you're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're going to have 3 loops left. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So it's basically exactly actually like double crochet, except you're just yarning over twice. So this is my second one. Oops. This yarn can be a little splitty. Okay, sorry. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochets, and you already know how to make that. So yarn over, insert, and pull through 2 more, and there we go. Now we're going to make 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, just keep pulling through 2 loops. Now chain 1, and now you're going to make 3 double crochets. And have you noticed how this, after you chain 1, is the exact same pattern from the bottom to the top? Like now we're doing 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do 2 treble crochets. So now we're going to make 2 treble crochets like that. Okay, now it's amazing. And we're going to chain 2, and actually 3, and insert in our middle of the magic ring, slip stitch. Now tighten the magic ring, chain 1, fasten off to your hook and pull outwards. And there we go. That is your tutorial on how to make 2 adorable little hearts. Imagine if you put them like that, that'd be so cute. And thank you for listening. Bye.